It all started at 1629 Haydell Drive, my grandmother's home where I grew up in. Basically, I watched and imitated majority of her recipes. She used to sell plates out of the house to make ends meet for us on the weekends. After returning back from Katrina, something just said, you know what, it's time for you to go back to your roots. And I've been cooking ever since. Off the Hook is known for a variety of meals. It's the French, along with the Spanish, with the African, that all comes from the New Orleans tradition. We're known for the fried ribs that we prepare here, the seafood stuffed lobster tail. We actually pop in every Friday. We can't keep them. I prefer catering more than the restaurant. When you say Off the Hook, they know, oh, Chef Tiffany. So therefore, I put my name behind my brand. I love Easy Cater. By them advertising for me, that helped me in so many ways. I'm extremely proud of myself. I know my grandmother is as well. I try to think about the time we shared together, which was in the kitchen, so that's why I be creative. I believed in myself, and I know it's not gonna be easy, but I come in here with sweat and tears and make it happen.
Restaurant Roots, inspiring stories celebrating chefs, restaurant operators, and catering.